Uptown Swing level 2. Classics. Val, Peter, we did 2 things, scissor kicks and the mini dip. Here's what scissor kicks look like in the swing out. Hey, shop-be-da-be-da-be-da, and keep going. 7, 8, and 1 and 2. That was it. We'll do it this way real quick so you can see. I'll do my right foot, you do your left. Let's do the 8 count forward into it. So we go 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Triple step, 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 triple step. Practice that. And if it helps you, you can really practice moving all around with it. 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Because you need to be able to lead and follow, kind of moving your body the same way that you would normally on a swing out while you do the scissor kicks. We did that, and then we did that into a little break. So, hey, ha, ooh, shop-be-doop-be-dop-be-doop-be-doo, And then we did mini dip, y'all. It goes like this. Rock, step down, ha, ba-ba, You can dance out of it. Important thing to remember is that you don't get to just rock step again. You're keeping that, you're stealing that rock step actually. You're here, you got 1 beat of like hold, and then catch up to get back into your groove. So I'm gonna do a 6 count and then an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it.
That's what we did.